Hello, my YouTube friends. It's been a while since I've been on here. I guess I look a lot different too. I kind of mentioned it towards the end of my other videos that I got cancer. I'm having to battle it, and it's kind of changed my life a whole lot. But I can't ride bikes anymore. It's messed my balance up so bad. I got a head and neck cancer, and it's messed my balance up so bad I can't really ride a bike anymore. So I've kind of changed gears and got me something else to fool with to maybe help keep my spirits up, keep me motivated to keep trying, and get me out of the house, and just give me something to piddle with, something to do. Let me get y'all turned around. I'll kind of show you what I've got going on. But I sold the CRL 450 RL, and got me this 66 Mustang. I've had it about 2 months. I've already got in and doing a little bit of work on it before I decided to start trying to make another video or so to kind of show what I got going on. Said I've been battling cancer for the last 7 months. The old car, it was pretty rough condition when I bought it. It's the only reason I could afford it, because it was in such bad condition. But I just went ahead and replaced a lot of the original sheet metal that was rusted up and dented up so bad with aftermarket, and it fits back well enough to make me happy. I mean, I just want to make a driver out of this car. I'm not going to make it a show car or anything. I just want it to be something to drive. Well, there's the new truck for it. Got a new gas tank. Tried to get it put in today, hopefully. There's the original doors that come off of it. I still got to transfer everything out of those over into these. You know, the door skins wasn't really that bad. It's just the bottom's totally rusted out. It's just too much to repair for me with the time I got left, so I just went ahead and got new door shells. Right there's the primer I'll be putting on it. It's high build. I'm just pretty much just wanting to get it all one color right now. It's got interior all in it. It was a complete car. It's got the 200 6-cylinder in it. It actually runs very well. I think the engine just been rebuilt a while ago, but not run much. But it's got a add-on air conditioning, which of course it needs work. It don't work like it is, but at least the components are there. But I'll start making at least maybe a video or two a week showing the progress on this, and y'all subscribe if you don't mind. That way, do a lot of commenting. That way I'll have somebody to talk to in the comments. Catch you on the next one.